Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're doing another Fierce Hot Wheel review. This is a 1994 Audi Avant RS2 from factory fresh, 10 out of 10, and number 157 out of 250. Once again, this is one of the last iconic edition of Ruasada's design. As you all know, guys, he passed away on March 23rd from cancer. So that's his one of the last works, his 2021 edition Hot Wheels that he came out, as this one says, new for 2021. He made quite a few iconic Hot Wheels, such as Acura NSX, the Nissan GT1 that I reviewed recently, and a whole bunch of other Mazda Miata. So he designed quite a few of them. So nevertheless, this is number 157 at 250, new for 2021. Factory fresh, 10 out of 10. So it is based off of 1994, 1995 Furious Hot Wheels. So I'm opening while I'm doing the little review. So, which started in March 1994, ended July 1995. So, just a little over 15 months of production, and 2,891 were manufactured worldwide. Besides, there were excluded U.S. and a couple other countries and cities such as Hong Kong and all that. So now, since they're over 25 years old, you can actually import one. And one of them is Dog Demuro, who is a pretty good car review guy. He does a lot of good reviews. So he has the same one color car, station wagon. So if you want to see that production and a more detailed review of the real car, feel free to watch his link. I'm going to post it in the description. So nevertheless, this is a limited production high performance car, which Audi RS. Audi came to Porsche when they were with a bad economy and on the verge of filing bankruptcy. Audi came to Porsche and asked them to design a car. Along with the Mercedes, they asked them to design a car for them, which I'll review later, also with a Mercedes Hot Wheel. So stay tuned. That's why when you open the hood, you'll see a lot of Porsche stuff and a lot of Porsche brands, and also the caliper. It won't say Audi on it or RS or anything. It says Porsche calipers on it. So that's how they bailed out Porsche a little bit at filing bankruptcy in 1992 or in 1990s, up until 2011, when Volkswagen bought out. So nevertheless, this is a 1994 Audi RS station wagon. Looks similar, just like the original one with the Nicara blue color. This is also called as 80s RS with inline 5 cylinders and total of 311 horsepower in reality. And like I said, in more detail, you can watch Dog Demuro Hot Wheel car review. So he actually bought 2 of these. I know that for sure, 2 Hot Wheels, because he has Audi RS and he likes to have similar to it. Well, pretty nice. Has the windshield wiper in the back, the spoiler, black interior, Nicara blue color. Just looks like just original. So, and like I said, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time.